Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game. You got the error code 30004. Wait for single object failed while playing any game such as Warhammer, Fortnite. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The basic step is to click on the start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator, type here a command which is sfc / scan now and hit the enter key. The reason behind this error is because of the corrupted system files, and this command will fix out all the corrupted system files in your PC. After this command is completed, go ahead and don't forget to restart your PC. Now if this doesn't fix, let's proceed with the second step. Head over to C drive, Windows folder, and here find System32 folder. Open it. Now here you need to find a driver folder. Double click to open it. Here you will find a file with the name anticheat.sys. So press the A key to find all the relevant files, and once you find anticheatservice.sys, right click and choose the option delete. Once deleted, go ahead and play the game to fix out the issue of error code 30004. Wait for the single object failed. Now if easy anti-cheat file is not available, then it will be available right in your Steam menu. In Steam, head over to library, and whichever game is causing you the issue, you need to right click and click on the option manage and click on option browse local files. Here in local files, you will find that particular anti-cheat file, so you need to download this particular file to fix out the issue. If this method doesn't work out, let's proceed with the next step. So whichever game is causing you the error, you need to right click on that game and click on the option properties. From here, you need to choose general tab, and in launch option, type a simple command which is -noeac. Once it is done, close it. Now close Steam and restart your PC, and you will not be encountered with the same error of wait for single object failed with error 30004. If this also failed, in last step, we are going to turn off the test signing as well as integrity of your files. So click on the start menu, type PowerShell, run PowerShell as an administrator. Now this command will work majorly on Windows 10. It will not work in Windows 11 because of the secure boot issue. So if you have Windows 10, perform these commands. First one is bcdedit /set space testsigning space off and hit the enter key. Now second command is bcdedit /set space nointegritychecks space off and hit the enter key. As it is saying that these commands cannot be modified because I am in Windows 11 and I have turned on my secure boot. But in Windows 10, these commands will be successfully executed, and once this is done, restart your PC and you will not be encountered with the error of wait for single object failed error 30000 while playing any game such as Fortnite, Warhammer or any other game. This is all about it, friends. This is how you will fix the issue. If this video works out for you, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.